2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD redesign details. The 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD is ready for the mid-cycle update. The heavy-duty truck will keep engines. On the other hand, the styling will take more significant changes. The Sierra 2500 is a mechanical twin to Chevy Silverado HD. However, there are a lot of fans of the GMC badge. The top of the lineup version is Denali, which is considered as one of the luxury models in this class. We were investigating what novelties the heavy-duty pickup could bring and found out the truck maker is preparing a significant upgrade. Besides the styling, we could see the new 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD with a higher towing capacity. That doesn't mean a new engine is going to be offered. However, the existing Duramax turbo diesel is eligible for enhancement. The GMC designers will also pay a lot of attention to details inside the cabin. Finally, the most important thing is that price should stay put, no matter which package is selected. Exterior and interior changes. The 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD truck will follow the example of its smaller sibling, Sierra 1500. The pickup is getting updated front and rear fascias. Also, certain packages are going to offer a new set of wheels and exterior colors. Inside, the cockpit should be all new with plenty of features and options, including a large touchscreen display, even at lower trim levels. Designers will try to find more storage compartments. Well, with a truck of this size, it won't be so hard to find room. The special attention will be on towing assistance features and connectivity with smart devices. Google will help you with traffic and live updates. Super Cruise autonomous drive is already one of the most advanced in the market. The company is also announcing semi-autonomous towing ability on the new Sierra 2500. 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, engines. Under the bonnet of the base heavy-duty truck is a 6.6-liter V8 gasoline engine. This one is mated to a 6-speed automatic gearbox and the total output of the petrol configuration is 401 horsepower. It also adds 464 lb-ft of torque, for a towing capacity of 25,000 pounds. This is not bad for such an engine. However, you are buying the heavy-duty class to get more. The 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD diesel is going to reach nearly 30k of towing capacity. For now, 27,500 pounds are sure. Current model can do it. A 6.6-liter Duramax unit is mated to a new 10-speed Allison gearbox. This is the difference maker and even FCA considers adopting the same transmission. Well, Eisen will react and we'll see what this company is going to offer. The Sierra 3500 HD is maximizing outputs and towing capacity. Properly equipped, the heavy-duty truck can do 35,000 pounds. 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD configurations. There are plenty of options when building the 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Cabin and bed combinations available on the next model will be the same. You can combine the regular cab only with a long box. Standard bed is added for other two cabins, double and crew. When you picked the proper combo, you will have to choose a trim level. The base solution brings 17-inch wheels, vinyl flooring, and LED lamps. Inside, 2 USB ports and smartphone integration are highlights. The SLE is a better choice for slightly more money. Cruise control is already there and the leather wheel is standard. General Motors also added a multi-pro tailgate and Wi-Fi hotspot. The Sierra HD SLT is offering some premium features, such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as the Sirius XM 360L. Plus, the front seats are heated and power adjustable. Under-seat storage at the back will make a ride more convenient. From this point, you can opt for the off-road 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD at4, or a luxury edition, Denali. The first one is a 4x4 truck with superb all-terrain capabilities. Of course, a special suspension system enhances off-road drive. Skid plates are standard. The at4 is also bringing some premium options, such as leather seats and heated buckets. Bed liner is standard. It is spray-in. Fans of another type will have to respray the bed. The longest list of features is on the 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali. You will recognize this version thanks to a large 20-inch set of wheels. Inside, everything about the infotainment system is bigger. Navigation, wireless charging, and Bose audio are premium options not too many other trucks are going to offer. General Motors expands the production of the 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The heavy-duty segment is becoming more popular. That is why GM is going to produce more of Series 2 trucks, including the 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Recently, the company reopened the plant in Oshawa and this place will serve as the truck factory. More heavy-duty trucks will be on schedule. The price stays put. Regular cab and long box is not something you will see too often on streets, although it costs the least. This one will start from $36,000, while on the other end we have the Denali truck with a $70,000 price tag.